Hello, my name is Faruk. I was born in London, raised in Istanbul, and now I live in beautiful Los Angeles, California. I'm a videographer, photographer, musician, and a tech reviewer. And everything I do it on my Mac. In 2013, I recorded my first album in my living room on a Mac using nothing but GarageBand and a simple USB converter for my microphone. 7 hours after that album was released, it became number 1 on iTunes Turkey, and it stayed there for a really long time. It was still there when I released a single and a second album.
Hepinize çok teşekkür ederim.
This was one of the most surreal things that happened to me, and it gave me the courage to create what I want to create. Every project I work on has to feel handmade. My audience has to experience something unique, something fresh, and discover something new when they come back.
Is this the multiverse?
To me, Mac has always been a very inspirational product. It's like a very good-looking guitar. When I see it, I want to create something with it. This can either be a really silly idea or an extremely complicated project. And especially after Apple Silicon, I never ask myself if my Mac can handle it. This gives me all the freedom I need to create whatever I want. And today, Mac turns 40. And to that I like to say, happy birthday, Mac. You haven't aged a day. And everything I do, I want to do it with you.